Good morning, all of you. So today in this video, I am going to give you the answers for the chapter Africa, the continent. This chapter I have already taught you before quarterly examination, and now in this video I am going to give you the answers and exercises of the chapter which you have to complete. Now we will start with exercise number 8, fill in the blanks. There are 8 fill in the blanks. So number 1, dash is called the dark continent. So answer is Africa is known as the dark continent. Second, dash is the highest peak in Africa. So Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. Third, dash is the largest desert in the world. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. Number 4, dash is the southernmost part of Africa. So Cape Agulhas is the southernmost part of Africa. Number 5, dash is the largest producer of cocoa in the world. Which country? Ghana. Ghana, Ghana, Ghana is the largest producer of cocoa in the world. Sixth, Ghana became independent on which date? March 6th, 1957. Number 7, Cocoa Triangle is formed by the towns Accra, Kumasi and Takoradi. Number 8, cocoa harvesting months are September to January. Now exercise number B, write A for agree and B for disagree. So here first question is, Rift Valley is the most prominent feature of Africa. Yes, it is correct. So you have to write down agree. Second, Nile Delta is the largest delta in the world. No, it is not correct. Why? Because the largest delta in the world is the Ganges Delta. So you have to write down in second, disagree. Third, Victoria Falls is situated on Zambezi. Yes, it is correct. You have to write agree. Number 4, Sahara is the largest desert. Yes, Sahara is the largest desert. Number 5, Nigeria is the largest cocoa producing state in Africa. No, Nigeria is not the largest cocoa producer. Ghana is largest producer in the world. So you have to write down here disagree. Now number 6, cocoa butter is used for making cosmetics. Yes, cocoa butter is used to make cosmetics. Number 7, cocoa is called black gold of Ghana. Yes, it is called black gold of Ghana. So you have to write down agree. Number 8, cocoa byproducts are used to produce cattle feeds, jelly and soaps. Yes, agree. Next, number C exercises and answer in brief. First question is, name the second largest continent in the world. So the answer is Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Second question, where do you find Kalahari Desert? Where is Kalahari Desert? So Kalahari Desert is in the southwestern part of Africa. Answer number 3, what do you mean by savanna? What is savanna? So savanna is a grassy plain in tropical and subtropical regions with few trees. It has vegetation that grows under hot and dry climate. And question number 4, which country is the largest producer of cocoa in the world? Ghana is the largest country and largest producer in the world. Name the cocoa exporting port of Ghana. In Ghana, the exporting port is capital city. Accra Port is known as, or is the place to export through Ghana. Number 6 question, which months are the cocoa harvesting months? The months are September to January are the cocoa harvesting months. Now exercise number D, answer in detail. First question, state the latitudinal extent of Africa. For this question, answer, the equator passes through the middle of Africa. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, is passing through the northern part of the continent, and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south, is passing through the southern part of the continent. It is the only continent through which three important latitudes, 0 degree, 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, pass through. Question number D2. State the 4 physiographic divisions of Africa. For this, answer 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to write down. First is the Atlas Mountains in the northwest. Second, the low plateau of Central Africa. Third, the plateau and mountains of the East and South Africa. Fourth, Rift Valley of Africa. Fifth is coastal lowlands and islands of Africa. Question number D3. Write a note on the Rift Valley of Africa. For this, the answer is here. The Rift Valley of Africa. A notable feature of the eastern plateau is deep and wide trenches which are called rift valleys. The Rift Valley of Africa extends from the Laksh Malawi through the Red Sea and Gulf of Aqaba to the Dead Sea. It runs for about 8,000 kilometers. So, it is referred to as the Great Rift Valley. Many large freshwater lakes like Lake Malawi, Rudolph, Tanganyika are found here. Victoria Lake, which is the third largest lake in the world, the source of the Nile River, is situated here. Answer number D4 for the question. Egypt is called the gift of Nile. Why? So see the answer. The agriculture and economic prospects of Egypt depend on the Nile. The Nile is providing irrigation, water, industrial water, hydroelectricity, helping navigation, supplying drinking water. That is why Egypt is called the gift of the Nile. Question number D5. Mention the geographical conditions suitable for cocoa cultivation. So, the climate geographical condition which is suitable for cocoa cultivation is, answer for this question, hot and wet climate is suitable for the production of cocoa. Temperature 27 degrees centigrade, rainfall 150 centimeter and above is good for cocoa cultivation. Soil, cocoa plants need well-drained, porous soil and shelter from strong winds and direct light. Labor, plenty of cheap and skilled labor is required for cocoa plantation. Question number D6. Mention the cocoa harvesting methods. For this, answer methods of cocoa harvesting. Number 1. Harvesting time season is from September to January. Number 2nd point. Generally, harvesting of cocoa pods begins in the morning. The required pods are picked carefully by hand pickers. They are called tambados. 3rd point. With the help of a sharp knife called machete, the pods are split open carefully. Each pod contains 30 to 40 small seeds. Fourth point, the cocoa harvesting requires a large number of manual laborers. Number fifth, the sticky pulp is taken out and placed in heaps on the ground. These are usually covered with the banana leaves. Question number D7. What are the uses of cocoa? The uses of cocoa, here answer. Uses of cocoa beans and cocoa butter. First, cocoa butter is mixed with chocolate liquor to form the basic ingredients for chocolates. Second, sugar and other flavoring substances are added to chocolate liquor before baking. Chocolate is also used for many other products like ice creams, cakes, pastries, biscuits, etc. Third, chocolate powder is used for making cakes and sauces. Next, the fat or cocoa butter is used for various products such as cosmetics and healing creams for burns and scars. Next, cocoa bean shells can be used as soil conditioners. Next, animal feed is prepared from cocoa husk. Next, cocoa powder can be used as an ingredient in almost any foodstuff. Next, cocoa byproduct is used in making soap. So these all are the answers for chapter number 8, Africa. You all have to note down these all answers in your copy. God bless you. Thank you.